us.
You bet.
And for the record, it took 2 people to break up this relationship.
Yeah, you and that girl from the copy place, which yesterday you took full responsibility for.
I didn't know what I was taking responsibility for, okay? I didn't finish the whole letter.
What?
I fell asleep.
You fell asleep?
It was 5:30 in the morning, and you had rambled on for 18 pages. Front and back! Oh, and by the way, Y-O-U''RE means you are. Y-O-U-R means you're.
You know, I can't believe I even thought of getting back together with you. We are so over.
Fine by me!
Oh, and hey, those little spelling tips will come in handy when you're at home on Saturday night playing Scrabble with Monica. Hey, sorry. I just feel bad about all that sleep you're gonna miss wishing you were with me.
Oh, no, don't you worry about me falling asleep. I still have your letter!